Hello students, in the previous videos we have solved section A, B, C. Here we will solve section D, that is intelligence test. So this paper 2 contains 25 questions, each carries 2 marks. So question number first, that is, if cattle is related to herd, then sheep is related to what? So the group of cattle is known as herd and the group of sheep is known as flock. So the answer is flock here. Next, choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 9 as 7 has with 56. So question is given here. 7 is related to 56. How? 7 8 is 56. Now calculate it for 9. 9 8 it will be 72. So the answer will be 72. The option C is the right answer here. Now go to the next question, that is 103. Here they have given choose the alternative that will continue the number series below. So some number series they have given. So 5, whenever you add 5 to 6, it will become 11. Again, whenever you add 11, 2 plus 6, it will become 17. 17 plus 6, it will become 23. 23 plus 6 will become, you add 23 plus 6 is 29. So the answer is 29. Here the option B is the correct answer. Go to the next question, that is 104. If you fold the transparent paper along the dotted line in figure X, which alternative figure from A, B, C and D would you get? So they have given one figure here, X. So they are making you to fold this paper. So take one paper and draw like this and fold it. After folding, we will get like this. So one line is here and this line from this point to this point, that will be here, this point, and it becomes that one. So the figure will be like this. So which answer is correct here? The option D. So it is the correct answer. Next question, 105. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Here some words they have given: bake, peel, fry, roast. So for cooking purposes you are using bake, fry, roast, whereas you are not using peel. So the answer is peel here. Question number 106. Which of the following diagrams indicate the best relation between India, Haryana and the world? So relationship between India, Haryana and world. First, world is bigger one. So draw this world. Next, in world, India. So this one is India now. In India, Haryana is present. So Haryana is like this. So which figure indicates like this? So option D. So correct answer is option D. Now go to the next question, that is 107. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. So what they have given words? Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Orion. So everyone know the zodiac signs. That is in Kannada called as Rashi, Mesha Rashi, Vrishabha Rashi, Kanya Rashi, Mithuna Rashi, like that. In English, that is Virgo, Pisces, Cancer. All these are what? These are zodiac signs. Whereas Orion it is a constellation. So this one is different. That's why the option will be D here. So this is the correct answer. Now go to the next question. That is 108. If statement is coded as TNEMETATS, then political will be coded as what? So they have given statement. STATEMENT. So this is coded as what? TNEMETATS. So here T is like this, N is written as same. So they have reverted it. M, again E, again T, again A, again this T and this T, and last S and S. So statement they have written as invertedly. Now we should write political in inverted. Political. So first write down L. Next write down A. Next C. Next I. T. I. L. O. P. So like this you have to write. So wherever this option is there, that is the right answer. LACITILOP. It is matching with the first statement itself. So option A is the right answer here. Now go to the next question, that is 109. Figure X is embedded in any one of the four alternative figures A, B, C or D. So what they have given? Find the alternative which contains figure X as its part. So this X figure they have given, this figure will be present in either A, B, C or D. So you should find out it. So there is a sign like this. Wherever the sign is there, you tick the like ulta Y, reverse of Y. So in option A it is not there. Again in option B Y sign is not there. Option C it is not there. In option D it is there like this. Again you check for this line. So here it is there. Again you check for this box. It is also there. And one extra line is there. So option D is the right answer here. Read the next question, that is question number 110. There, if A means add, B means subtract, C means multiply, D means divide, then what would be the answer of the question? So they have given A means add, B means subtract, C means multiply, D means divide. So they have given one equation here. 15. D means what? D means divide. 15 divided by 5. C means you have to use multiplication sign. Next 2. A means add. So you have to use add sign, which is equal to. With the help of Bodmer's rule, BODMAS, that is, first you have to solve bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Like this you have to solve. So here first you have to solve division. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 into 2 plus 3 is, again you have to solve multiplication sign, 6 plus 3, which is again equal to 9. So answer is 9 here. Wherever 9 is there, so option D is the right answer here. Now go to the next question, that is 111. 5 men A, B, C, D and E read a newspaper. The one who reads first gives it to C. So there are 5 men. How they are sitting you don't know. So just draw it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 men. The one who reads first gives it to C. So you don't know the first one number. After reading he gives to C. The one who reads the last had taken from A. So he is the last person. He has taken from A. E is not the first or last. E is not here. E is not here. So E will be in middle. E was not the first or last to read. There were 2 readers between B and A. So here it is B and here it is A. Between B and A there are 2 readers. So 1 and 2 readers. Who read the newspaper last? So who is remaining now? D is remaining. So who reads last? D. So option D is the correct answer here. Now go to the next question. That is, choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 16 as 12 as with 168. So they have given like this. 16, so 12 into 14 will be 168. Now you calculate 16 into 14. What it will be? You multiply it. So 16 into 14. Sorry, this one will be 4. Again 14 plus 22. So 16 into 14 will be 224. Which answer is the correct? Option C. That is 224. Now read the next question. That is question number 113. If you fold the transparent paper along the dotted line figure X, which alternative figure would you get? So they have given this figure. What happens whenever you fold the paper like this? So here one line is there. Whenever this line you fold it along this paper, so it comes in between, so it will be erased. So it will be like this. Which option is correct here? Option D is the correct answer. On folding the transparent paper along the dotted line, we get the answer figure as option D here. Now read the next question, that is question number 114. If in a certain code def is written as 3587 and file is written as 7465, then ideal will be written as what? So what they have given? Def, D E A F, def and file, F I L E. Def is 3587 and file is 7465. So wherever E is there, 5 is given, E. Next F, 7 is given. Now ideal will be written as what now? Ideal. I means 4 they have given. 4. D means 3. E means 5. A means 8. L means again. Sorry, L is here 6. 4, 3, 5, 8, 6. Which answer is there? 4, 3, 5, 6, 8 is there. So this one is wrong. 4, 3, 5, 8, 6. So this option is the right one. Now go to the next question. 115. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. So see the options. Plastic, wool, paper, wood. Here wool, paper and wood. These are what? These are biodegradable. Whereas plastic is not biodegradable. So the answer will be plastic here. These three are similar whereas plastic is different. So correct answer will be plastic here. Now go to the next question. 116, that is, if we arrange the given words in alphabetical order, which word would become at last place? Choose the correct alternative. So some words they have given here: robber, random, restrict, restaurant. So you have to write in an alphabetical order. R A if comes first, that is random comes first. Afterwards you are having R E S T. Next A, restaurant. Next one is restrict. Next one is robber. So what they are asking here, after writing in sequence, which come at a last place? Robber comes at a last place. So the correct answer is here robber. Now go to the next question, that is 117. Here choose the alternative that will continue the number series below. So they have given one number series here. 11 plus 2 here means 3. 13 plus 4 will be 17. 17 plus 2 will be 19. 19 plus 4 will be 23. 23 plus 2 will be 25. Now you add plus 4 to the 25. It will become 29. So the answer is 29. That is option B here. So this is the right answer. So one time you are adding plus 2 to the series. Next time you are adding plus 4. Here it ends with a plus 2. Afterwards you add with a plus 4. You will get a 29 as the answer. Go to the next question. That is 118. Choose the correct alternative that has the same relation to BMJ as HSY is to EPV. So here they have given EPV is related to what? HSY. HSY. You have to find how BMJ is related. E. You should know the alphabets of English. After E, there is F, G, H. So, how many terms are there here? So, third term is H. After P, P, Q, R, S. So, after third term, there is S, V, W, X, Y. So, after three terms, there is Y. Likewise, after three terms, you have to see B is there, C, D, E. After M, N, O, P. After J, three terms, K, L, M. So, EPM is the right answer here. DRM is wrong, EPM. So, this option is the correct one. Now go to the next question, 119. That is, which of the following diagrams indicate the best relation between flower, lotus and rose? So you know the flower. So say this one as a flower. In the flower group only lotus and rose comes. So this one is lotus, this one is rose. Rose and this one is a lotus. So the answer is like this. Which is the correct one? Option A. So rose and lotuses are what? Flowers. That's why the figure will be like this. Now go to the next question, 120. Here, choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 11 as 49 has with 7. So 7, how you get 49? 7 square. 7 into 7 will be 49. Means again you square it up 11. 11 square is 121. So sometimes what happens, you have to check for 7 also. 11 into 7, 77. So there is no answer. Again for 7 they are squaring. So to 11 also you have to square. The correct answer will be 121. So 121 is option D here. That is the correct answer. Now go to the next question, that is 121. Choose the word which is the least like the other words in the group. Green, pink, indigo, violet. You know the rainbow colors, that is VBGOIR, VBGYOR. V is violet, I is indigo, B is blue, G is green, Y is yellow, O is orange, R is red. So 7 colors are there in rainbow. Green is there, indigo is there, violet is there, whereas pink is not present in a rainbow colors. So this one is the correct answer here. Next question. If X is the brother of the son of Y's son, how is X related to Y? So you don't know the X. Write down X. X is the brother of. So he is brother of whom? brother of wise, brother of son. So brother of son of wise son. Son of y. So how is x related to y here now? Wise son's brother means y is related to x. X is a grandson of a y. So here the option C is the right one. Now read the next question, that is area of rectangle is 48 meter square. If the length is 6 meter, then the breadth is. So you know the formula, that is area of rectangle is length into breadth. They are given as 48. So you should calculate breadth here. Breadth is equal to 48. Length is 6 meter. 6. So 6 ones are 6 eights are. Breadth will be 8 meter. So which option is there? 13 wrong, 6 meter wrong, 10 meter wrong. So option D is the correct one, that is 8 meter. Now go to the next question, that is 124. The priest told the devotee the temple bell is rung at a regular interval of 45 minutes. The last bell was rung 5 minutes ago. The next bell is due to be rung at 7:45 a.m. At what time did the priest give this information to the devotee? So priest is telling to devotee that this bell rings after 45 minutes. So each bell will ring at 45 minutes. So before 5 minutes only it has been rung. Now it will rung at 7:45, means 7:45 minus 45 seconds. It will be what now? 7 a.m. So at 7 a.m. the bell was rang. So he told that the bell was rung at 5 minutes ago. So 5 minutes ago means here you add 5 minutes. It will become 7.05 minutes. At what time did the priest give this information? Means it is at 7 a.m. and 5 minutes. So the answer is this one. Option B is the correct one. Now, last question in the intelligence test, that is 125. If in a certain code MBS is coded as ODU, then BRL will be coded as what? So they are giving MBS. MBS is coded as ODU. So you should know the English alphabets. After M, N, O. So plus 2. B, C, D plus 2. T, U plus 2. So next BRL will be coded same as MBS. After B there is a C and D. After R there is a S and T. After L there is a M and N. So the correct answer will be DTN. Where it is? So the option A. Option A is DTN. So this is the correct one. Thank you.